Hi, I'm Laurie, Ellison from Madison Bookkeeping. And if you're a mental health professional in private practice and it's January, there's a good chance that you're feeling a little uneasy about your taxes right now. You might be wondering, did I save enough? Did I pay enough in estimated taxes? Is my bookkeeping even accurate? Today, I want to walk you through some of the steps you should be doing in January so that you can survive tax season. Some of the things you need to figure out right now is where you actually stand. One of the first things you need to do in your tax survival kit is get clarity. No more guesses, no more bank balance math. We need actual numbers. You should be able to answer at the end of a year, how much income did my practice generate? What were my true business expenses? What does my profit and loss look like before taxes? If you're relying on spreadsheets or trying to piece things together from bank statements in January, this is why you're having panic right now. January often becomes panic season, but it doesn't have to be, at least not anymore. Number 2, your deductions must be categorized correctly. The second item in your survival kit is proper categorization. Mental health practices have a very specific deduction such as continuing education, clinical supervision, EHR and practice management software, professional dues and licenses, office expenses, whether in person or home-based. And if these aren't categorized correctly throughout the year, the deductions are being missed or worse, questioned. What you need to do now is separate your business and personal expenses if you haven't already done so. This is non-negotiable. Another critical part of your tax survival kit is clean separation. Your practice needs a dedicated business bank account, a dedicated business credit card. Mixing your business and personal expenses creates confusion and often causes missed deductions. January is the perfect time to fix this if it hasn't been done already. Number 4, in January, you should be able to easily produce a profit and loss and a balance sheet. These are not just tax documents. These tell the story of your practice. If you don't recognize what you're looking at or you don't trust the numbers, that's a signal that you may need help. Number 5. Here's what every mental health practice should have in January. Accurate, up-to-date bookkeeping, properly categorized deductions, a clean separation between business and personal finances, clear financial reports you can hand to your tax professional. When these are in place, tax season becomes a formality, not a fire drill. If you're listening to this and thinking, I'm not confident my numbers are right, you are not alone. At Madison Bookkeeping, we specialize in working with mental health private practices. If you'd like help reviewing your books or putting a real tax survival kit in place, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me. The link is below. January doesn't have to be stressful when the right systems are in place. I look forward to meeting you.